Hello, I am Preetham from class 10. Every individual in this world wants to be successful. Everybody wants to lead a successful, luxurious life. But wanting success will never give you success. If you are in the belief that success comes to people if they are lucky, then your belief is just a myth. Success doesn't come to anyone. Instead, people go towards success journey. Biggest mistake of unsuccessful people is that they want success in the silver platter. They want success free of cost. They want success in their comfort zone. And this want of them will never allow them to become successful. Success needs sacrifice. Means life demands something in return in order to give you success. First, success needs sacrifice of wastage of time. We all know that time is very precious. Success asks us to utilize every single second in a way that's productive. Second, success needs sacrifice of lack of commitment. You have to get committed in order to get anything in life. And when you are committed to success, nothing will be able to distract you. No matter how hard or bad days you go through, you will be able to handle it very smoothly. Third, success needs sacrifice of comfort zone. People who wish to gain success in their comfort zone just love to dream. But their dreams never come true. Successful people take risks. They come out of their comfort zone and take every possible step to achieve what they want. I would like to conclude by saying that success demands three things. It is hard work, sacrifice, and patience. Thank you.